Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the most important thing that you are facing. Also, I am facing. If you are facing the problem that if you are doing work on English, but your English is not improving, and also you are doing work regularly, consistently, but your English is not changing. So this video is literally for you. This is a perfect video for you. Okay, so let's get started. So as you know, guys, you are doing work regularly every single day on your English, like 30-minute readings, 20 minutes speaking or watching videos, right? But unless you are not able to speak English, like the best part, okay, you are not able to speak English very, very good in the best way, in the best method, right? So, that I am also facing that problem because, as you know, lot of YouTubers, they are master of English, right? Lots of YouTubers, they are master in English because they invest our 2 years, 4 years, and after that they are the master in English, right? Because of they invest our time every single day, and that's why they are there, right? So repeatedly, I am analyzing my videos, those videos that not implement. I am personally recognize all about my video, and that video, those video are not perfect that like I wanted this time. Okay, and that's why I wanted to speak because, as you know, you want to speak English very, very well. You want to master in English skill, English communication skill, but until you are not able. Okay, so what kind of thing you need to do? Let me tell you. So sometimes, or it could be every single day, you are doing work on English, whether speaking English, whether recording yourself, whether reading English, whether watching tutorials or podcasts, right? Whatever. So like in those day I'm regularly analyzed, so it's not sufficient because as much as possible you need to speak, you need to record yourself, you need to speak, you need to read, you need to write, right? So it's that thing. Like I'm not saying so one particular way that yeah, you should try and improve English, right? It's not sufficient. Lot of way, like so many way to that help to improve English, right? But some particular way, that some random way, it's totally important to speak English. That's 5 way, it's very important, whether reading, whether speaking, whether watching, whether writing, or sometimes uh, record yourself, or sometimes just speak, it's enough. Those random thing, it's very important, it's sufficient. But some people, they are says 1 month is enough, 3 months is enough. That I had saying in 30 days or in 3 months your English will change, your English will improve. But it's totally, I'm not saying wrong, but it's totally different. Because any kind of skill that you want to improve, so you need to implement of that situation, you need to recognize of that situation. Therefore, what exactly thing that I have to do relevant about that work. Okay, whatever skill you want to improve, just take the skill and work on it. In my journey of English, I'm not consistent about English, and that's why my English is not, we can say, not change. Not change, like it's not, but I'm saying that means not suddenly improve. Gradually it's work, but not genuinely. And that's why I'm saying again and again, as you know, I'm saying my English is not improving. Why? Because I'm not work regularly, I'm not work consistently, I'm not maintaining my consistency because of the other skill that I want to improve, and that's why my 100% is not work. I'm not work in English. I'm not do that. I'm not doing the same thing relevant about English. Okay, and this is the main reason. So as you know, if you want to improve genuinely, so try do this again and again. And if you want to give up, so it's not a right thing. It's totally wrong because its thing will not change suddenly. Okay, if you're practicing a lot of days ago, right? It's complete of 30 days, complete 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, and like nearly approximate 9 months or 1 year. But you need to implement what mistake you are doing. And sometimes you feel okay, I am improving, my English is improving, so it's a right path. Okay, it's right. So recognize some random thing what you are doing again and again, and stop this thing. And next thing that you need to do, focus one skill. Don't focus on random skill that I want to improve my English, I want improve my coding, I want to improve my uh, you know some soft skill, some hard skill. It's not possible, because you need to focus on only one particular skill, not random. Okay, that is very very important. And one more thing that I want to tell you, you don't mug up the sentence, you don't need to mug up words. Okay, you have to use, you have to utilize of that word or some sentence. Okay, this parameter you need to improve, not mug up. Okay, so focus on one skill, do better way, think, search what exactly you are doing mistake, and in the next thing that you have to focus on that. Okay, so it's sufficient to improve your English. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and